Hello and welcome to another episode of Intellect Digest. I am your host Dipali. So without much ado, let's get started. In this video, I will share quick unboxing and hands-on review of Intex Fitrest fitness tracker. I'll talk about the box contents first. First thing in the box is the Fitrest fitness tracker itself. It also comes with a user manual and a charger. Now let's talk about the design and build quality of Intex Fitrest. On design front, it is a lightweight wearable that comfortably fits around the wrist. It comes with an adjustable band that is made up of rubber-like material along with a clamp that makes sure that it doesn't fall from user's wrist while sleeping or working out. The material of the band is such that it will not irritate the user even after wearing for long hours and is also water resistant. It features an OLED display that features a button which lets users switch between time, date, steps taken, distance traveled, calories burnt, and more. There are few sensors on the back of the rubberized band which make sure that you get accurate fitness insights. The Fitrest is compatible with iOS and Android smartphones. In order to use this band, you just need to download the Fitrest app on your smartphone. The wearable syncs wirelessly via Bluetooth with the Fitrest app on your smartphone and gives you insight into your fitness. The pairing of this tracker sounds easy, but we did face some issues while pairing the wearable with our smartphone. While pairing it with the app on our iPhone, the app did not detect the band initially, and when it got paired, it disconnected from the device multiple times. The Intex Fitrest monitors your steps taken, distance traveled, calories burnt, and sleep, but we are not impressed with its accuracy. It also allows users to control music and camera. Users can capture a picture on their smartphone using the button provided on Fitrest. The Auto Connect feature of the tracker helps when Bluetooth connection is lost by automatically connecting it to the smartphone in 90 seconds once the smartphone will be back in Bluetooth range. There is anti-lost feature as well that alerts users in case they are strayed away from their smartphone. The app shows activity history and sleep tracking data under record option. The battery life of Fitrest is impressive. It comes with USB charger for charging and the battery lasts up to 1 week on single charge. It is priced at Rs 999 and competes with the likes of Xiaomi Mi Band and UFit Band. Fitrest seems to have an upper hand compared to its rivals since the Mi Band lacks a display and UFit is not compatible with iOS devices. The Intex Fitrest is a decent wearable with a number of features to offer. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please leave a thumbs up by pressing the like button. For more such videos from Intellect Digest, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.